Hi, this is Chad with Tools and More Tools. Today we're going to feature the Ridgid R8224K cordless palm impact screwdriver kit. This uses a 1/4-inch bit. It has a 12-volt lithium-ion battery that's included, and that's also what it runs on, is 12 volts. And it includes the charger as well. This is a nice little driver. It has push to drive technology, so when you push down, the more force you use to push down, the faster it goes. It has a 400-pound torque per square inch. Okay, let's give this a try. So as you can see, that did pretty good. It had a little trouble with the last one, but it still did pretty good. One thing to note is you need to have a shank that's about this long. That's probably about 1.25 inches. If you have the smaller Milwaukees, they don't work as well. Well, they don't work. Push it in and it won't activate it at all. And so as you can see though, the more force I put on it, the faster it goes. So that's just barely moving. And the harder I push down, the faster it goes. That's kind of neat. It does have forward, lock in the middle, and reverse. And it does have a light, so you can see what you're screwing in or unscrewing. And it also has a battery indicator to show you how charged your battery is. And then to charge the battery, just pop it out and push it in. And that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have a comment, we would love to hear from you. Thanks again.